Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by turning on Bluetooth and Wi-Fi on both the laptop and phone so devices can see each other. On your laptop, open Nearby Share from Settings or the Quick System Tray menu. On the phone, open Settings Google Device Connections Nearby Share. Make sure visibility is set to Contacts or Everyone if you're testing. Once done, position devices within a few feet and keep screens unlocked so the sharing prompt appears immediately. Now pick the file or folder you want to send. Right-click and choose Share, then Nearby Share on the laptop. You'll see nearby devices, select your phone. The laptop advertises the transfer and the phone receives a notification. Accept it there. If you're sending multiple or large files, Nearby Share batches them, so monitor progress on both screens. Make sure the phone has enough free space and that transfer visibility hasn't timed out. Otherwise, the connection will drop and you'll need to retry. To complete, accept the incoming transfer on your phone and watch the progress bars on both devices until they reach 100%. Once finished, open Downloads or Photos to confirm the file saved correctly and use the share history if you need to resend. If the transfer stalls or the phone doesn't appear, toggle Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, set Nearby Share visibility to everyone briefly, then retry. If problems persist, restart both devices. That clears stuck services and typically resolves pairing issues.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.